look what's here. It's the new Magic Cure UV lamp from Resin Rockers. I am so excited about this, you guys. I've been waiting forever. I know a lot of you have been waiting also. So anyways, I want to go over some of the little features on this real quick. First of all, it's beautiful. I mean, isn't this just a beautiful lamp? And it's very sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything like that. It's got some weight to it, so it's really nice, very well built. It has this removable bottom plate that is mirror reflection, so it will reflect light back up in when you have it on. But if you don't want it in there, you can take it off, and that gives you some other options, like pulling up these little tabs here to lift this up a little bit. And the reason why you might want to lift it up is if you have some jewelry or smaller pieces that you're doming and you don't want the light too close to them, so you want to lift the light up a little bit away from it. This is wireless also, by the way. You charge it, it's got a rechargeable battery in here, but you can charge it and then unplug it and take it around wireless with you, so you don't have to worry about always being connected to the cord. It's fantastic. I just got this, so it still needs to charge, so I'm going to leave it plugged in. As you can see, we have several different lights in here, and we've got different strengths. That's the best thing about this lamp, you guys, is you can go from 6 watts all the way up to 48 watts, and that's perfect for different instances and different types of resin that you're using. When you want to cure something really slow, you're going to go with the lower wattage, and then something that's like the skim coat for your pens and everything, you're going to want to go with the 48 watt. In the instructions, they have recommended times for the different resins. So you've got your original hard type, the skim coat, quick drip, soft coat, and the color burst. Those are the different UV resins that Resin Rocker carries right now. I'm going to put this back together and show you how this looks turned on. It just fits right in there. It's so nice. It's just so beautiful, you guys. It's like futuristic. So you have your power switch here in the back, and your LED screen tells you what we've got going on here. Probably help if I have this facing a way that you can see it. And everything is touch sensitive. So to change the watt, you're going to go to the W and just press it, and you'll see the little light bulb is going to match the lines in the light bulb, is going to match the photos on the side here to tell you what wattage you're at. So 2 lines is 12, 3 is 15, 4 is 18, 5 is 24, 6 is 36, and 7 is the full 48. And then down here you have your different time presets. So, and again, you just touch it and it will turn on. Touch it again and it turns off. It's very easy to use, very, very user-friendly. And of course, being the Stylish Dragon and the products that we have, I have to show you how absolutely perfect this light is with the twist and stand system. Okay, first I'm going to go with the junior stand here. The junior stand holds up to 5 pens, and it can sit like this, so your pens are horizontal, or it can sit like this, so your pens are vertical. And I will show you that. We have a prepped InkJoy gel pen right here. I've already cut the clip off and sanded down the areas that I wanted to sand down. And then this is the standard pen twist. It fits the InkJoy gel and the Sharpie S gel. So you just twist that on there. The threads match up with the threads on the inside, and you can just twist that right on there. Now there's 2 ways that you can use this with the light. I have my prep wand here. I'm just going to go ahead and put that on. Now let's say I just am doing 1 pen. I'm not going to do a bunch of pens right now. I'm just doing 1 pen. I'm gonna go ahead and put my skim coat on here, put my glitter on here, and I'm ready to cure. I could just hold this and hold it under the light, just like this. Spin it if I feel like it, you know, and make sure that everything is nice and even, of course. And you can hold it under the light like this. Or, if you don't want to have to sit there and hold it, then you grab your Twist Stand Junior. Just spin that right on. And you don't have to spin it all the way down to the bottom, just spin it on there so it's, you know, twist it so it's on there. And look at this, guys. Zoop. It fits in there perfectly. It's absolutely wonderful. Let me show you without making too much. You can see on the inside here, there is the Twist and Stand Junior stand, and we've got the pen on here. And look at that. It sits right on top of that mirrored bottom, so you have the full 360 curing from the lights on there. Now, here's another great thing about this. The other way that you can stand it, if you wanted to have if you wanted to cure them up vertically for whatever reason, maybe you've got drips on there and you want to keep it standing vertical for the drips. Well, this stands up on its own. It'll hold like that. And what I'd like to do is, whoops, just keep pushing a bunch of buttons apparently. So take the bottom off just so that you can set your stand on the inside. Once again, let's take a little field trip with the phone. So as you can see, there's the top of it. It sets in there just nicely. And once you have it inside, you can go ahead and throw your magnetic base back on and it'll cure. And while we have this vertical, I'm going to show you how you can also use it with the original twist stand. It fits. It's not a perfect fit, but it will fit if this is, you can finagle it, I guess you could say. So I'm just going to twist my pen twist onto the original twist stand, and you can slide that in there. You'll still be able to fit 9 pens on here if you want to, if you're going to leave this bottom part open. Or you can fit, I would say safely without anything touching, you could fit 6 and then lean the base on there like that, just so that it's not pushing on the stand. You actually could probably fit 9 in there since it's not pushing on that top part, but this will still give it the reflection and just maximize the light, the UV light on there. So many options with the new Magic Cure lamp from Resin Rockers and the Twist and Stand system. I love it, and I know that they have been working on this for a very, very long time. They're excited to have this. I'm excited to have this, and you guys should be excited to have this too. So you can get yours at thestylishdragon.com/get Resin Rockers and just look for the Magic Cure lamp. Thanks, guys.